Good morning, students. Now I will teach you how to make a old-fashioned house. See, I made a model of old-fashioned house. I have taken length equal to 8 centimeter, breadth equal to 4 centimeter, height equal to 6 centimeter, and the slope area, roof area, this is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. This one 8 centimeter. So if you see closely, this is the combination of cuboid and prism. So you can, after learning this one, you can change the dimension. You can get a bigger house. It will be very useful for your science exhibition and your social science exhibition. You can make it. Okay, let us start. See, first you have to see the base. The base is 8 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So perimeter of the base is 24. 8, 4, 8, 4. So 12 into 2, 24 centimeter, and height is 6 centimeter. So I taken a chart paper, scale, eraser, and compass. So this one, and Fevicol. I'm drawing this one rectangle. First I'm making rectangle. So length equal to 24 centimeter, and rectangle's breadth is 6 centimeter. So rectangle completed. Now length is 8, breadth 4, so I'll put the mark here at 8, 12, 20 and 24, and this side also 8, 12, 20 and 24. So I'll join this one. So this one 8, 4, 8, 4, 6, 4, 8, 4, 8, this is 6. So this is 4 wall. Now the base. So the floor side, that is 4 centimeter, and this one 8 centimeter. Now rooftop. The wider side is the rectangle. So this is 4 centimeter. Another one also. So I have completed. See, this one, and this two side, this, and this two side, this one, this. And this upper side, this flat portion, this one, and this one flat one, this one. Now I will draw this two triangular portion. So taking 4 centimeter, so this one, so all faces are over. Now border. So for drawing border, I'll take the width as 1 centimeter, and this side also. Now I'll use small scale for better result. So this is our, so here 4 centimeter, 4, 8, this one 4, this one 4, 4, 8, 4, 4. So in this house, length equal to 8 centimeter, breadth equal to 4 centimeter, and height equal to 6 centimeter. Taken. Now I'll cut the figure. And the sides. over. Now to see the extra portion. So here one extra border. Okay. And I'll join this one. This one. It will look like a house. That's it. You can draw a window, doors for looking more beautiful. You can change the dimensions. You can take a higher dimensions. So thank you.